and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So I'm about to use my new French press for the first time. Before I do though, I'm kind of low on coffee. So I bought this in a bag because if you buy it in a bag it's cheaper, and I'm doing something very dangerous. Don't do this at home. I know some of you will anyway, but it is quite dangerous. And I'm also using an old knife so because it's like a foil over this, and I don't want to ruin my good knives. But anyway, you know, one thing when you open a bag like this, the coffee's not going to stay very fresh. So that's why I always like to keep my old coffee cans. So when I buy coffee in a bag like this, I can just put it in there. Sometimes what I do is I just put the whole bag in there like this. It just depends on my mood. So I don't know if it'll fit. Let's see. Oh yeah, it fits. So you know what? I'll just leave it in the bag for now. So anyway, I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee. So there's my French press. Isn't that beautiful? I love this French press. So I'm just going to do a heaping spoonful. I kind of like my coffee strong. Oh, and I'm icing this coffee. And so whenever you do iced coffee, you always want to do your coffee twice as strong. So I'm going to add twice the amount of coffee grinds that I need. Alright, now that's definitely going to fit because I have about a quarter cup, a little more than a quarter cup of coffee grinds in here. And then I usually keep this scoop in here. So I don't think this one, it came with my French press. I don't think that's going to fit too well. So this right here is a perfect fit for my coffee can. Bam. Alright. So let me put my coffee away. Always clean as you go. It makes things easier. Alright. So I'm waiting for I'm going to start my water here. So that'll boil. I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to start my mango. Have you guys been seeing this sitting in the background? I'm going to cut it up today and have it for breakfast. Ooh, so it's like my cats are not getting along there. Alright, let me get off here and see what's going on. Alright, so my water is ready. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it over. You see my pretty purple? I'm going to do about half. Alright. Yeah, this is my pretty purple kettle. It doesn't look as purple as it really is in the picture. I don't know why. I wonder why. Anyway, let's let this sit for 4 minutes. And I like to just kind of put the lid on, but don't press it down yet. Ow, it's hot. Gotta hold it by the handle. Okay, and let's just put it over here to the side while I can cut up my fruit for breakfast. Alright, so my coffee is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and press it down very slowly. There's really some weight to that. Okay, now I have my cup, my designated vessel. I don't even know why I call it that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in there. And because Martha Stewart said to do it, I have a spoon. She said it helps with the changing temperature in the glass or something like that. And I always like odd numbers for the ice. So today I'm putting no sugar in my iced coffee because, you know, too much sugar is not a good thing. And I've been putting sugar in my coffee and tea all this week, so I need to slow down. Alright, so I'm going to fill this up about 3/4 full. Alright, I have a little more. I'll have a little more coffee later. And then milk actually has a sweetness to itself, so I'm going to pour my milk in there. There we go. So you can add as little or as much milk or coffee, however you like it. If you like it extra creamy, it's up to you. So that's my new French press, y'all. I like it. So it works actually even better than my college French press, because my college French press, I had lost the cage to it. Even though I miss it. But this one, the cage is attached and it's easy to clean. So anyway, let me go ahead and have breakfast. I got my fresh mango here. My fresh made iced coffee. All ready for a summer day. Alright. Take care, y'all. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.